In this video, I will show you how to count cells that are blank in Excel like this using 3 different methods. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some data. Some of the cells here contain the data while other cells are blank. Now I want to count all the blank cells in this sheet. To do that, we can use the COUNTBLANK function. The COUNTBLANK function returns the number of empty cells in the given range. This function accepts only one argument, which is the range we want to test. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type COUNTBLANK followed by an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells as the argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the count of the blank cells. Here, the cell B4 contains a single space character, so it is not counted as a blank cell. However, the cell B7 contains a formula that returns an empty text. The COUNTBLANK function treats it as a blank cell. We can also use the COUNTIF function to count the blank cells. We need to select the range of the cells as the first argument and an empty text as the second argument of the COUNTIF function like this to count the blank cells in the selected range. Even though the COUNTIFS function is meant for counting cells that match multiple criteria, we can use it instead of the COUNTIF function with a single condition like this. However, the COUNTIFS function is really useful when we have multiple criteria. For example, this formula counts blank cells in the orders column when the cell value in the items column is item 1. We can also use the SUMPRODUCT function to count empty cells. Here is the formula to do that. Here, this part of the formula checks if the cells in the given range are equal to an empty text. It returns an array of 5 elements containing false, false, true, true, and false. The true value is returned when the corresponding cell in the given range is equal to an empty string, and the false value is returned if the cell is not empty. For the SUMPRODUCT function to work, we need to convert these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. We can do that by applying the double negative minus minus. After applying the double negative, we get an array of 5 elements containing 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0. Finally, the SUMPRODUCT function sums up the array elements and the result of that is 2. As you can see, we now have the count of blank cells in the given range. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.